Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about temporary emails. Just quickly type temp email in Google and you can find a number of results. And here I'm going with the first one. Temporary email is very handy when you want to sign up with new and unknown websites. It will ask your email ID. If you give your personal email ID, then it will spam with many emails. So use this temporary email ID. Here, as you can see, you will get a temporary email address and you can quickly copy it and sign up with the new website which you're going to use for a few minutes. And if it sends any verification email, you can find that email here also in this box. And when your sign up or your work is done, you can just leave it. It's a temporary email. Thank you. Thanks for watching.